welcome to Forum 32.
Why?
Finally, I'm so happy that we are doing this interview.
And after 6 months and 5 kilos more, here we are. For me,
Okay, weight mentioning was not necessary.
Not
because let's not talk about weight. I even have put on a lot.
But I'm only talking about myself.
Oh my God, there are
But you see,
two of us now, right now.
women always become more conscious about their weight.
तुम्हारा
The minute
सोलो
weight is
इंटरव्यू चल
mentioned.
रहा है क्या यहाँ पे?
चलो
And no, 5 kilos, 5 kilos तो इसने gain भी नहीं किया है.
किया
ऐसे
था,
तो-
actually मैंने lose कर दिया.
Is it?
5 minus 3, 2. 6 months and 2 kilos later,
हाँ, yeah.
here we are.
Here we are.
So ups and downs are always expected in life.
Yeah.
Right?
अब
And हमारे इंटरव्यू में भी ups and down हुए थे. I had lost a major chunk of the clipping. So
और वो कभी नहीं किया यार तुमने वो शादी.
I know क्या करूँ अब तो डांट मत मुझे.
करूँगी.
I know. And then suddenly she
करो.
said, वो I have last part और middle वाला part तो गुम हो गया है.
मिडिल वाला पार्ट इतना अच्छा था. Considering that both of you were talking about the three things. Do you
I was
remember
about-
the question
3 things
that you
I don't
like
remember.
about
Like and dislike?
Dislike, yeah.
you don't remember?
I do. What's that? Oh yeah, coffee गिराती थी तुम.
It's not visible, Varun, don't worry.
I thought
We were not going to mention
no,
that.
I knew she was going to mention it, but I thought at least maybe 7-8 minutes down she'll mention it. She's got it out of her system. मैंने कॉफी गिरा दी.
कब से मुझे लग रहा था कब बोलूं भाई. कॉफी गिरा दी मिस्टर वरुण ने. Yeah, it's over now.
तुमने भी गिराई थी.
वो तुमने गिराई थी.
अच्छा मैंने धक्का मारा था.
हाँ, इसने नहीं गिराई.
Chale, so we had a
Chal.
coffee spilling day today.
Yeah. Yes.
Now we're going to spill more beans about each other.
Rendezvous with Rushali Tripathi.
Okay, so one is that Kabul khatam ho gaya, and obviously I'm always happy that our friendship has sustained beyond it, and that's what I would want to talk about. That whether it is Channa or Ankit or Varun or Mel, Nirmal, I mean we have had. I'm sure you guys have met up after Kabul. Surbi and I have definitely met up. Varun and I have met up in Film City. So. Tell me how do you guys carry
I was
forward?
thinking about it the other day because I've never shot with Channa, I've never shot with Ankit, I've never shot with a lot of people that have become my friends now, you know. So it's so Kabul hai is the binding force along with Miss Survi Jyoti, but that's the beauty of this show for me at least, that the relationships have lasted and they seem like they're going to last for a long time.
Definitely, inshallah, definitely.
I'll try and put this as soon as possible, which is tomorrow.
Then let's not
And
talk about it.
especially considering that loads of people have been just asking me about where is the second part.
They are asking us also. Okay, one is dub smash karo and the other is interview.
Dub Smash though, I want to do a good.
Yeah.
I loved what you did last.
Thank you.
Yeah. Dub smash na. Yeah,
Yeah.
even I liked it.
Thank you. Did you see her newest one?
No, I haven't seen my newest one. Tell me, what's that?
Great. I know.
Crazy!
Yeah.
Something like that.
I like what you do when you're doing in English.
Oh, is it?
This
Yeah.
is exactly that.
Yeah, I
Like the
loved one.
breakfast at Tiffany's one.
Yes.
See, because I think I don't know. It's like I think it's my first dub smash, first solo dub smash. So when you're doing
Is
it, yeah. No.
No, it's not.
Yeah. Well, first was
इमरान हाशमी वाला भी किया था.
no. एक और भी तो किया था. I don't bite, you know.
Yeah, that's,
Yeah,
what
that's
I'm
the breakfast
talking
at
about.
Tiffany's.
Yeah, नहीं. So I thought this is my first solo, but no, this is not. So जब आप किसी के साथ करते हो ना, then you have to listen के कैसा करना है, funny करना है. So that's why solo में choice ज़्यादा होती है. जब किसी के साथ करना होता है तो choice कम.
मुझे तुम लोगों से सीखना है दो चीज़ें. One is Instagramming. Finally, I can use my own ID as well as Forum 32. So I'm trying to do something, but I suck at it completely.
Yeah.
And the other is Dub Smash. I've never done any.
We'll do soon.
Yeah, we'll do one
Vishali.
today.
He's dub
And-
smash master.
I loved what you did last. I really
Thank
loved
you.
what you did last.
Thank you. I don't know why she would say I'm a dub smash master when the
Because
ratio.
whenever he does it amazingly good.
Wow, you mean that?
Why would I say that?
Oh, thank you.
और इसको मैं बोलती भी हूँ फुटेज खा रहा था नहीं बोलती मैं देखो हमेशा नहीं
हमेशा तो नहीं.
क्योंकि तुम हमेशा करते भी नहीं हो जितने भी इसने डब स्मैश किया मैंने ऐसे सबकी ऐसे जेन्युइनली तारीफ करी है
अच्छा मुझे ये बताओ डब स्मैश
डब स्मैश में मतलब कुछ सीखने की जरूरत नहीं है.
नहीं लेकिन
Practice.
Nor is
is
there,
all you need.
No, as in, nor is there anything to learn in Instagram, you know.
Yeah,
you
you
guys
know,
come
it
up with
just
some lines and stuff. Not that I can't come up with some lines. Today, like yesterday, I put something, which is my
photograph. A
picture.
good photograph is all you need actually.
That's
for
what I've done. I've put a
Instagram.
photograph and I called it glass ceiling because I'm looking up and all you can see are my glasses. So I called it glass ceiling. I said, rank it if you will, but don't forget it does exist.
I like that. And you don't have to bother about trying to make sense
Sense
to
out of it.
everyone because it's not going to make sense to you.
It's your personal page. Whatever you are feeling right now.
It's subjective. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, we do have audience around here.
Yeah.
Considering that we have celebrities in front of me, which I forget most of the time, that I am amongst celebrities, and when they say, "Oh, you know Sarbi Jyoti, and you know this one," and I say, "Haan, to for me, you guys are friends and not celebrities." I always forget when people look at you like, "Oh, we know her from somewhere."
And but also, Kabul Hai is one show where it's huge on social media, you know, compared to other shows, and that really helps, you know. I feel.
True. And I think if social media की बात आती है, then I should take some credit for it.
Of course, most definitely.
Most definitely, Vishali.
Most
Most definitely.
So yeah, I was asking
How much?
actually.
More credit you want?
मैं तारीफों से थोड़ा खतरा
एक
से
phone बजा है.
फोन बज रहा
my
है
God.
किसका फोन बज रहा है
किसका?
Varun ka.
I'll
As
take that.
always.
I'll take that. एक minute.
You know, this just reminded me of the stuff that we had done with Karan and you. Both of you bent and then we had started.
Yeah.
Oh, is it? Oh, but I like such entrances. Oh,
Yeah.
I यहाँ से ऐसे.
Yeah, we had done some. We'll do some entry points.
Oh, is it?
Okay, and then I'll put
But we'll
that.
specify that we're doing it for the cheese factor.
Absolutely.
Okay then.
Let's be cheesy. Who cares?
Yeah.
I don't. As long as you specify that we're being cheesy.
Dub Smash is all about being cheesy sometimes.
That's true.
So I'm coming back to the Dub Smash question.
Acha.
Why do you like doing Dub Smashes?
See, I think for me it's Nautanki. And I love Nautanki. I'm a big time Nautanki lover. So for me it's fun, yeah, I really like it. In fact, first Dub Smash मैंने Mr. Turki के साथ ही किया था.
मैंने भी. And I still
तुमने भी
remember.
Mr. Turki के साथ किया था? हाँ?
And I still remember कि हम we were at our Dabba Factory set
Yeah.
where we used to show our Pakistani track.
Yeah.
And we didn't even मतलब हाँ Dub Smash had just started then, and I think the ABP people had
Yeah,
come.
yeah.
And वो भी हमने जल्दी में कर दिया. That was the first thing that we did, and that's where it.
जल्दी में नहीं किया था हमारे. As
जल्दी
in-
मतलब मैं तो एटलीस्ट सोचता हूँ एक दिन सोचूंगा फिर
और फिर practice-
रिव्यू इट.
Yeah,
I'll
so he
review
told
it.
me that Dub Smashes for him are not an instant thing. He will practice and he will
See,
delete till
nothing
you
for
get
him
it
is
right.
instant actually. इसको
I don't-
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि
I don't know if I practice it that much,
No, no,
but
no.
yes, I do put a thought into it कि क्या मुझे करना है, because why should I do something that I'm not good at, okay? Just because it's being
available.
done and it's available, and because it's assumed to be whatever. I want to do something that I like because it's my Instagram page, right? And yeah.
But otherwise also, you know, he plans everything and I'm not saying that that's something I really don't like about him. But he is like that and most of the time I make fun of him because मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इसे नहाने भी जाना है ना तो ये प्रॉपर पहले प्लान करता होगा. मैं अब गीज़र ऑन कर देता हूँ और अब मैं आज.
But is there something wrong with that?
Did I specifically mention
That you don't find anything, but I'm generally also asking, is there
Yeah, I
anything?
do the same thing.
Yeah, because I am like zero planning person. I really don't plan at all anything. Because I don't know, maybe I'm not good at it or maybe I've never tried. And maybe मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ठीक है हो जाएगा. So I'm little careless. बट ये बहुत प्लानिंग करता है, लाइक इसको हर चीज़ कैसे ऐसे होना चाहिए, इसके बाद ये करेंगे वो करेंगे, that's funny.
I like to know. I like to be well informed. If
Yeah.
this feeling of uncertainty is the worst for me. कि क्या
Yeah.
होने वाला है, this, that. No, I want to know, you know, and I can get a little pesky at times, and I'm working on that. But I like to know.
Even I like to know. I would want. You see, I'm not saying that.
I तो shouldn't say anything about it because मैं बोलूँगी when I like to know, तो everybody knows कि मुझे कितना ही पता होता था सेट पे भी कि कौन सा सीन कर रहे हैं, क्या कर रहे हैं, मुझे कुछ नहीं पता होता.
हाँ, अभी
Well informed.
last में, okay, Varun, just last month and a half, I used to call
Of the show?
Surbi, of the show. I used to usually call Surbi to ask her what's happening, and she said, "Hello, I'm on my way. I don't know what's happening." I'm like, "Of course, मैंने भी किससे पूछ लिया." Then I would call
You're just
Aman.
trying. Last 1-2 महीने चलो पूछ लेते हैं. सुरभि क्या? Has she started reading the scripts or not?
No, not possible.
Yeah.
Said
But as long as
possible.
it doesn't
Go.
hamper anything else in any way,
Yeah.
that's no issue at all.
So true. So true.
तुम क्या बोलोगे कि
दोनों तुम दोनों इधर उधर भी देख रहे हो लेकिन अच्छे लग रहे हो, वो मैं देख रही हूँ.
हाँ प्लीज.
एंड यू नो लाइक पीछे जो थोड़ा सा धुंध है ना, इट्स लाइक दी फोकस में इतना सुंदर लग रहा है. एंड द सन इज येट टू कम.
आई एम हैप्पी. प्लीज अभी ये इंटरव्यू गुम मत करना. मैं बहुत ऐसे एंजॉय कर रही हूँ ये सब, ऐसे गार्डन और ये.
राइट, वी फाउंड अ गुड लोकेशन.
Yeah.
वी नॉट गोइंग टू रिवील वेयर वी आर.
या धक्के क्यों मार रहे हो?
somewhere in the Alps. Sorry.
ऐसे ऐसे धक्के मार रहे हो?
Because Roshali has told us that we cannot move to and fro as in back and
That's why
forth.
he's doing
That's why we are moving sideways.
ये अच्छा है. Blame it on the rain.
Imagine. Yeah.
Okay.